Hi, sweetie pie. Thank you for being such a sweet little rabbit. Wow, you're growing so much, Shona. You're so tall. Wow. See how my sweetie pie is responding? She's listening to me. I'll put you back in so that you're safe. And this is so fascinating to watch you grow every single day. It's just so amazing. And that's your mummy. And I'll put you back. But I hope to always be there to look after you, Shonu. You're just so beautiful. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you for being so beautiful. You're 3 days old. Today's your 3rd day on this earth. And your papa is a grey giant rabbit. That's why you are grey and you're growing so tall. And that's your mummy. And I'll put you back. I'll just put you back. It's just 5 seconds more and I'm putting you back. That's it. 2 seconds more. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you for being in my life.